Hello. Made it.
How are you today, Mr. Shui?
Good.
Is that how we say your name?
Yes, perfectly.
My name is Elodie, so I'll be in charge of the cabin for today. Thank you. And I will be escorting you to your seat.
Hey, let's go. It's so big, I'm lost.
What's your little step?
All right. Okay,
Here is your seat, Mr.
back to my second home.
Today I will introduce you to your first class suite. So to start with, we have a goodies basket, and then you will have a screen with also a touch screen. Some amenities for your comfort during the flight, and then we have a soft drink minibar on your right hand side here. You'll have also a tablet. In pressing by this button, you can take off your table. So if you decide to have lunch or dinner, then and here in the little drawer you'll have a writing kit.
Excellent, thank you.
Their Arabic dates, they complement the Arabic coffee. They have 70% of natural sugar. And you have the plain ones and with almonds.
Right. Okay.
The
Yeah.
Arabic coffee.
These are Arabic coffee service.
Okay.
Would you like to try one?
Yeah, I don't think I can handle it, but I'll try a little bit.
Just a little tiny bit.
All right. Wow, look at the quality of this. Oh my god, it's super comfy. Where?
May I offer you today's menu?
Yes.
We're doing a on-demand service in
Yes.
first class today. We have a selection for dinner. We have some canapé, appetizer, main course, some sweet, and a selection of cheese. I also have a wine list available if you are interested. We're serving a Dom Perignon 2006 in our premium cabin.
Okay, thank you. Now you see we are in the bar. You can see like is always very well good business in the bar here. Elodie, can you tell us what's the maximum amount of passenger this bar can take at one time?
The maximum amount of passenger is 26, and it depends. It's for the safety of the customers. It depends on the amount of oxygen mask that's available in the area for the safety of the passengers.
Ah, we didn't think about it. On the ground, we don't have this problem, but in the air, we need to think about the safety and the oxygen mask availability for the number of guests in the bar. But tell us some of the interesting things happened on this bar.
Other year, I've seen many things. One of them that I really liked was a proposal. One gentleman asked us to prepare a little surprise for his fiancée to be, and so we had champagne ready and flowers. And when the lady arrived in the lounge here, then the gentleman put his knee down for her and asked her to marry her, and she said yes.
Of course.
So we were very happy to witness that. It was a very happy moment.
2. May I represent Emirates First Class amenities for today's flight?
Yeah, wow, amenity. Let me see, what is that? The whole bag of
Yeah.
amenity here.
Let me.
This is for every first class passenger?
Yeah, this is all complimentary for first class customers.
Ah, okay. Could you show me what's inside?
Sure, my pleasure. Let me open it for you.
Slipper, okay.
This is our eye mask.
Eye mask, okay.
I'm going to show you pajamas.
Ah, the pajama.
Yeah, this pajama is Hydra Active Pajama, which make you keep your skin hydrated during the flight. And also we have pajamas cover.
Oh, pajama cover.
Yeah, so you
A pouch.
can put it
Very nice.
like this.
Very thoughtful that is.
And also we have two kinds of amenities pouch. One for the gents, the
Mhm.
other for the females.
Ah,
Especially about the first class amenities, as you can see, it's a Bulgari,
Bulgari.
aftershaves, combs, and colognes.
cologne. Men's cologne.
Men's, and this is the ladies one. Most
The ladies'
likely
pouch,
all the
okay.
contents are same, made by Bulgari, and you have very exclusive, nice package of colognes for that.
Look, the ladies' perfume
Yeah,
by Bulgari.
Bulgari as well.
Very thoughtful. Thank you very much for
It's my
showing
pleasure.
all the products to me.
It's my pleasure.
I'm gonna take that whole bag to go home now. Thank you.
Why not?
Oh my god, you're so generous. You give me like double scoop.
That's my pleasure.
Okay,
Enjoy.
I like that.
And-
So I'm on the flight EK131 to Moscow, Dimodedovo. They're doing the dinner. The starter is caviar, which I'm really happy actually. I didn't expect the like 4 hours and a half to serve caviar. But Emirates kept up the tradition. The dinner they have the caviar, and the crew look after me really well because they knows I love caviar. So they gave me double scooping, and so I have a huge caviar here. Look at this. The black stuff here is awesome. Wow, I'm really grateful. I'm really happy with this flight. Thank you. To share with you some really good products which I usually travel with me. You can see me, I'm wearing a neck pillow and a huge eye mask here. Both products is come from France. It's designed in France. It's from a company called Be Relax. What I really want to show you is this neck pillow here. This is not just a neck pillow like those ones, cheap ones with the beans inside. This is a memory foam pillow, and it's an anti-fatigue one. And look at the blue bit here. Now these are the cooling gels inside. They got cooling gel inside. So when you put it on your neck feels cool constantly. And not only cooling, there's also, it will help you for your neck support. This top bit here, you can put a heating pack, a heat gel. Like this. This heat gel goes inside. And now I'm wearing it. So now my neck will get heated, and then it will get more comfortable when it's warm, and on the side it get cooling. And there's a buckle here. Let me buckle up. It's really, really light. It's a really environmental friendly pillow, and yeah, I really like it. It's one of the best pillows. No matter what class I travel, first class, economy class, I always have them with me because it's seriously, it makes a difference after a few hours flight. The eye mask here is huge. Let me wear it and show you. You can see it, and the best thing here is it completely blocks out the lights. No lights going inside. It has a very soft texture. It has a very good nose support, so your nose doesn't feel weird. It doesn't feel anything scrubbing on it. It just sits on it very well. Not only that, inside here they have this cooling gel. so your eyes will get relaxed and refreshed with these cooling gels on, going back to sleep again. Thanks for watching. The shower spa. Wow.
Official trace of the shower spa. In case of decompression or work, you will see the oxygen mask drop here. So what you need to do, grab the oxygen mask, have a seat and grab the handle and wait for our further instruction. And you can see this is your hair dryer. That one, you can use it for shower spa. And all the amenities available from Goya, it's available next to you from Chile as well. And here is your cubicle for your shower. And once you get inside the cubicle, you need to lock it properly, otherwise the water will not come up. That's pretty much about it.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm on the Emirates A380 shower room, having a shower. Just before having a shower, showing you the water is 5 minutes. You can run for 5 minutes. I just had a shower on the Emirates A380. It's really refreshing, and yeah, my hair dries pretty quickly as well in the airplane environment. I want to show you the floor here. Although you can't feel it, but I'm going to tell you that the floor is heated. It's really, really warm, and it's really nice when you come out of the shower. Hey! Oh, fantastic.
If you want to have some tea, this is our Emirates signature tea, which contains a green tea, lemongrass, ginger, and lemon.
Oh, great. Yes, please. I have all the crew with me here on EK131. We had a wonderful 5 hours flight. Good job, everyone. Thank you very much. Awesome. You know, one thing I really like about Emirates is the diversity of the crew. Crew come from all nationalities. They speak so many languages. So we're gonna let everybody say where they're from, and if they like to say something about their country or their language, it's welcome.
I'm Elodie from France, and merci d'être revenu sur l'Emirates. À bientôt.
Merci beaucoup.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Глеб, я из России. Добро пожаловать в Emirates.
And you are Glib, right, by the way? Nice to meet you too.
Ciao, Sel, my boss name. Olinta Seco.
Hello, kumusta? Ako si Jane from Philippines. Mabuhay!
Thank you.
Hi, kumusta? Ako si Jeneline, same as Jane. I'm from Philippines.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you for looking after me.
Hello, I'm Rachel from the UK. Maparlo Italiano.
Pleasure with you on board.
Hello, Dorota from Poland. Bardzo było nam miło gościć Ciebie na pokładzie dzisiaj.
Hello, I'm Yum. I'm from Korea. 사랑해요, Emirates.
Potato airline crew.
Hello. 안녕하세요, 반갑습니다. I'm Stella from Korea.
Hi, I'm Evgenia from Russia. Добро пожаловать в Москву.
Mabuhay, Army from the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
You're welcome.
Hey, Yana from Bulgaria. Italy.
Well, the pleasure is mine, guys. You know, you guys make me feel so wonderful. This is such a great flight. Thank you very, very much together.
Thank you.